student, I am going to start a new type of problem in probability regarding the die, regarding throwing of die. Now, you all know that one die has 6 surfaces, each sides 1 to 6 points respectively. That is 1 point for one surface and 2 points another surface, 3 points another surface, 4 points another surface, and 5 points and 6 points also another surface. Now in this problem, a pair of dice is thrown. Pair of dice, that is number of die is 2. What is the probability of getting an even number? Even number out of 6 points, even number would be 2, 4 and 6. Getting an even number in the first die or a total of 8. So there are 2 dice. In the first die, just there must be even number, that is either 2 or 4 or 6, and total would be 8. Total would be 8. Therefore, in this type of problem, you know, the total outcome would be 6 square. That is 6 surface to the power number of die. Number of die is 2 and total surface 6. Therefore, total outcome would be 6 square, that is 36. Now, there are 2 events. In the first event, even number on the first die. Let A denoting the event of even number in first die. Let A denoting the event of even number on the first die, B denoting the event of total of 8. Now first you have to find PA, that is probability of occurrence of event A, and also probability of occurrence of event B, that is PB. Now PA, probability of occurrence of event A, that is event number in the first die. Now we have in the first die there are 3 event number, 2, 4 and 6. So in the first die there are 3 event number, that is 2, 4 and 6. Now event number in the first die, but there is no restriction in the second die. Therefore in second die here might be any number from 1 to 6. Here might be any number from 1 to 6 for 2. यहाँ पर 2 के लिए यहाँ पर 1 to 6 पॉइंट्स के अंदर किसी भी पॉइंट आ सकता है. फिर यहाँ 4 के लिए, फर्स्ट डाई में 4 के लिए यहाँ 1 to 6 के अंदर कोई भी फिगर आ सकता है. और फिर सेकेंड केस में यहाँ पर 6 के लिए, फर्स्ट डाई में 6 के लिए, सेकेंड डाई में 1 to 6 के अंदर कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. तो यहाँ पर देखा जाता है कि the number of outcome यहाँ पर 6 होगा, because if it starts with even number 2, here might be any number from 1 to 6, that is the possibility would be 6. In the second case also possibility would be 6, and in the third case also the possibility would be 6. Therefore favorable outcome would be 18. So in case of PA, that is even number in the first die, there are possible favorable outcome would be 18. Therefore PA would be number of outcome favorable to the event divided by total outcome, that is 18 by 36. And also PB, PB denoting the total of 8. Now you have to see what is the number of outcome favorable to the event B. That is in the case of B, you have to see number of favorable outcome. That is if it starts from 5, then in the second die it must be 3 to become 8. And also if 3 occurs in first die, then in the second die it must occur 5, then the total would be 8. In the third case, if the 2 appears in first die, then in the second die it has to appear 6 to become 8. In this case there are possible outcome favorable to the event B would be 5. Therefore PB would be 5 by 36. That is favorable outcome to the event B divided by total outcome. Now also you have to find intersection B, A intersection B, that is when event A and B occur simultaneously. when A and B occur simultaneously. The P A intersection B, that is, it must be even number in the first die and also the total of 8. Here you see in the third cases, here you see the total number of favorable outcome would be 3. That is, if it appears in the first die 2, then it must be 6 in the second die, and also if it appears 4 in the first die, it must appear in the second die also 4 to become 8, and also in the first die it appears 6, then it will also appear in second die 2 to become 8. So there are possible outcome favorable to the event A intersection B would be 3. Therefore, A intersection B must be 3 by 36. That is favorable outcome 3 and total outcome 36. Now, all these 3 probabilities available, PA 18 by 36, PB 5 by 36, and also P A intersection B 3 by 36. Now you have to apply PA union B. That is even number in the first die or a total of 8. That is when at least one of the event either A or B will occur. In this case, PA union B should be applied. PA union B equal to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. That is 18 by 36 plus 5 by 36 minus 3 by 36. Then do LCM. Then it should be 20 by 36. That is 5 by 9. Therefore, required probability of even number in the first die or a total of 8 must be 5 by 9. Okay. Thank you.